Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about room 12250, which is a Bella class room. We are in the MSC Seascape and we're heading to a Western Caribbean cruise. So come on in, we'll show you around. When you first enter the room, on the right hand side, you're going to see a bathroom. It's got a stand-up shower in it, which is really kind of nice, and tub, which is really great. So if you have small children and things like that and you want to bathe them, this room has a tub, which is fantastic. And it's got a small sink as well, and a toilet, and that's really it. So it gets the job done. And it has little mirrors and things like that, and a little bit of storage underneath, but not a lot. So you're gonna have some things like you can put under there. But the tub is really kind of a nice feature. So if you're looking for that for your kids, that works. On the left-hand side, you're going to have, if you're lucky enough to have joinable rooms, which is hard to do, and we'll talk about that in another video. If you have joinable rooms, this will be your access to your joinable room, and you have to have it opened by, I think, by a stateroom attendant. So you have to do that. You have some storage on the front of your area here for books, magazines, whatever you got going on. You have some things there, a small trash can. You have some storage areas and shelves and things along the desk that's here. The desk has got a small little refrigerator within there. It's a mini bar. It has prices for all the things. So if you take anything, you're going to be charged for it. Just so you know, it's not built into the cost. You have a small desk if you're doing your makeup. You have pull-out thing, which is going to have a hair dryer and that sort of thing. Pull-out stools, and this is a table. If you're going to have people over and you're having drinks or whatever, people over. Mirror for doing makeup. Some drawers for storing some things. It has a nice TV, not too big, but it does the job if you just want to have a little bit of downtime. It has a small sofa, which is going to be a pull-out. So any of these that, oh, yes, it does pull out. It's one of those that you yank from the bottom. The whole thing kind of lays flat. It doesn't look like a normal pull-out that you would normally have in your house. You have hang-up clothes. So you have that. That's going to be really kind of nice. And then on the other side, you're going to have a small safe, some drawers for your, underwear and socks, things like that, and other areas where you can store stuff, and of course your safe. So you're going to come to your room or your bed. Your bed is basically, it's two twin mattresses that can be separated. So that's important to note. If you have two kids or you're staying with one of your kids in your room, you can separate the bed, so you have two twin beds. And I would say that the pull-out sofa is probably about the size of a full. It's a little bit bigger than a twin. So that's really the size that you have. Each one's got a light if you want to read at night or whatever. Each one's got a little table if you want to store some stuff in it. And of course, the gigantic mirror, which makes your room look huge, which it really doesn't. But it does have a nice mirror. So it's got that. The difference between the Bella class and the Aurora class really is about your balcony. So if you take a look at your balcony, it's smaller. You're going to have two chairs and really something to put your feet on. That's really it. So that's going to be the size of what your balcony is. It's basically arm lengths. That's about it, right? And but it's nice. It's a nice balcony. We're on the 12th floor, so you get a great view of it and that sort of thing. So that's kind of a nice thing as well. The other thing that's going to be different between the Bella class and the Aurora class, this being the Bella, is that your couch is going to be a little bit smaller. Your room's, I think, a little bit smaller. When you're talking a cruise room, they're all small, but it's going to be a little bit smaller. And that's really it. So that's the Bella class room. This is 12205. No, 12250. Sorry about that. Okay, thank you so much. Watch for more videos on the MSC Seascape. We're going to show you more rooms. We're going to show you a tour of the ship. We're going to show you a bunch of different things, as well as some of the challenges that we had. We'll talk about food. We'll talk about all that. So we'll see you with more videos. Thanks.